Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency Tuki Haji Muhammad Hassan, Mutawakkil ala Allah SHMM, as the Master of Zain Al Hassan Islamic Boarding School, and respectable to Dr. Zainuddin MPD as the head of English Education, and Excellency to Mr. Ferry Fradianto MPD as the lecturer of Zain Al Hassan Islamic University. And my name is Raihan Al Mubarak Ali, and I will explain our presentation, my thesis, in a title of exploring students' experience, motivation with gamification at junior high school. And a background of study. Gamification refers to the use of the gamification elements and the e-learning context to motivate and engagement and the learners. And the third gamification, the learning process become the more interactive and enjoyable, and the process becomes more and which can increase students participation and the confidence learning. Previous studies have also shown that the use of gamification in the classroom can improve students in the learning process and be focus of research. Students' perception of gamification, how students feel about using game elements and the points, badge, and leaderboards in the learning process, and student motivation and engagement. And with the gamification increase that interactive, enjoyable, and in the offered classroom experience, and challenge fetch to the students difficulties and or problems students encounter when learning through gamification, and impact on learning outcomes and optional of the needed the how gamification affects students and understands and their performance, and statement of the problem in the social and economic. What do you junior high school students experience the use of gamification in the developing their English speaking skills, and two, what are the students' perception of the benefits and the challenge of using gamification for English speaking practice, and students' perceptional and the response, and a significance of the studies. The theoretical the result of this research are expected to contribute to the development of the language teaching, and particularly in the teaching of speaking skills through the use of the gamification and the practical. The result of this research are expected to be used for the for English teacher at Miftahul Jannah Wangkal Gading and junior high school in the motivate students in the understand development students and speaking skills through the use of the gamification. F previous study, and the previous studies have also found that the use of the gamification in teaching English speaking is effective by the applying gamification. Students' speaking abilities can improve significantly. In addition, the implementation of the direct method And the teaching speaking has been shown to be effective in the enriching students and vocabulary mastery for this reason. The researchers decide to apply the gamification method and the study explored students' engagement by the using method and multiple soft data and such as interview, questionnaires, and the eye movement tracking and review literature. Gamification activities can support the development of fluency because they encourage students is to respond and spoke and response during the games and the jargons while the students and participation in the interactive speaking task. They tend to speak more freely and confidently as a result, and their fluency they gradually improve, and the throat repetition and the active engagement in the learning the process. And gamification tool includes audio modes and audition tasks, and extends the feedback and the enhanced pronunciation practice and the throat repeat and the explore and the enjoyable drinks. And the students become the more aware of the sound patterns, and consequently their speech become and the clearer and the more the confidence and comprehensible. And research design. In this research, aim to examine the teaching English speaking using gamification. For the junior high school students, the teaching English speaking was analysis basis on how the teacher improvement improvement implementation gamification in the class, and how the teacher assists students achievement. And this study implement an qualitative case study designed to the analysis phenomenon of the teaching and the learning speaking through and gamification at the Mifuljanah Angkalan Gading Junior High School. And the person of the researchers. Data regarding the teacher were obtained through interview with the class school principal and the teacher. Furthermore, the teacher were select based on their teaching experience and select based on their teaching experience, national level, and achievement, and their publication or writing related to the reading and the strategies and a source of data. The data for the researcher were collected from the students' questionnaires and interview with English teacher and the research distribute and questionnaires to the students and the conduct interview with the English teacher in the order to obtain detailed for information and related to the researchers and data collection in the development and the questionnaires the quizzes and the quiz and the questionnaires was designed by the researcher and while to the English learning motivation question the nearest was adoption from the homeroom teacher. The four students were given the first test before the treatment was implemented. 10 students were given the first test after the treatment. And to measure the effectiveness for using gamification, improving students skills, speaking skills about their ability and data analysis. Data analysis refers to the process dissecting, the simplifying, and the organizing the data obtained from the researcher. Based on the result of the study, it was found that gamification increased students' motivation to speak in the English. However, the technical challenge and become one of the obstacles in the implementation of the gamification and data display. And many students who usually fall shy or are afraid of the making mistake become more confident to speak because of the focus shift from the being the courage to the playing the enjoying the activity. Their enthusiasm comes not only from the game itself but also from the sense of the achievement gets from the learning and points finding and runs and the or receiving prize from the teacher and the course. And I think that for me, let's can say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.